Hey guys, so today's piece is going to be a tribute piece to the founder of the Burning Man Festival, Larry Harvey, who, as you may have known, has passed away recently. As the Burning Man Festival and the Burning Man culture has been so influential in a lot of the documentary film work I've been doing, as well as the artistic work I've been doing, that I thought this week what I would do is a tribute piece to the man who created the whole festival and started the whole movement. So I'm going to shut up right now and I'm going to start doing it. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Tell you what, why don't you tell me what you want me to paint next? In the comments below, let me know what you want me to paint for you next. And if you like what you see, you could really help me out by sharing this video and liking it and subscribing to it. And I thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.